Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Instagram story frames. First, open your Instagram application and tap the plus icon to begin a new story. Next, select a photo or video from your device's gallery to serve as the background for your creative frame. Then, locate and tap the square smiley face icon at the top of your screen to open the sticker tray, where you will find many options. Once in the sticker tray, use the search bar to look for terms like frames or borders to discover various design choices. After finding a frame you like, simply tap on it to add it to your story. You can then use 2 fingers to pinch and resize the frame, making it larger or smaller. Drag the frame with 1 finger to perfectly position it over your chosen background content. For more advanced framing, consider using the Draw tool. This allows you to manually create truly unique and personalized frame designs with various brush sizes and colors. You can also layer multiple stickers, GIF, or even other photos to construct complex and dynamic frames. This method offers endless creative possibilities, letting your story stand out with a custom, handcrafted look. After perfecting your framed Instagram story, you have a couple of sharing options. Tap your story to share it with all of your followers, making it visible to everyone. Alternatively, you can select close friends to share your creation with a more specific and private group. Remember to download your story to your device before sharing, ensuring you have a copy for future use or memories.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.